Here's a fact that will really blow your mind. After adjusting for inflation, the 3-year total returns of the S&P 500 come to just 3.4% per year for the years 2021, 2022, and 2023.
Please, sir, I want some more.
I can't help but think that there must be a better alternative than earning 3.4% per year. Here's a chart that compares the 1-year, 3-year, and 5-year performance of ATRFX against the S&P 500 index and the classic 60/40 portfolio. It shows just how ATRFX is able to maximize returns by allowing investors to average up. And from this single chart, you can clearly see why ATRFX won the Lipper Award for being one of the best performing funds in total return terms, all the while growing its assets under management from just over $2 million to over $350 million, signaling growing investor interest. But let's take a step back for a second. ATRFX is able to closely match the S&P 500 when the market is up, like what happened in 2023, and outperform the market when the market is down, such as what happened when the broader market crashed in 2022. ATRFX is a classic example of a mutual fund that lets you beat the market by simply allowing you to average up. Investment strategies are either a hit or a miss, and ATRFX is a hit because it tries to always come out on top regardless of what the market conditions are. It does this by taking both offensive and defensive strategies. The offensive strategies are designed to do well when the market is up, while the defensive strategies are designed to act as a hedge against market downturns, by basically going both long and short on 4 different asset classes: stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities, all as a part of a single astute alternative fund strategy. These kinds of ideas aren't necessarily new. There is in fact an entire body of evidence to back them up, and they're known in finance as trend following strategies. Trend following isn't the same as timing the market, which is when investors try to predict future prices. Trend following is where investors will aim to observe, identify, and ride out existing market trends, thereby maximizing their returns. Just have a look at this cool table on the screen. This table has nothing to do with ATRFX, but it does show you how dedicating just 20% of a classic 60/40 portfolio to a momentum trend following strategy increased annualized returns from 8% to 9.5%, as well as decreasing overall portfolio volatility and reducing maximum drawdown.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
The best part, this table is based on 110 years of data gathered from 1903 to 2012, adding additional weight to the strategy. Momentum is just one of 3 trend following strategies that ATRFX employs. It provides investors with a return by speculating that assets that have done well in the recent past should be expected to continue to do well in the near future. Conversely, momentum trend following strategies also posit that assets that have done poorly in the recent past should be expected to continue to do badly in the near future. With this in mind, ATRFX will go long on assets that have done well in the recent past while also shorting assets that have done poorly. This isn't the only trend following strategy that ATRFX employs, however. ATRFX also makes use of volatility and carry strategies, which I'd argue are much more interesting and potentially more lucrative in this day and age. Volatility trend following strategies assert that predicted volatility often exceeds actual volatility. In other words, predicted stock prices often overshoot the price you end up with. ATRFX can leverage this by accepting the risks and returns from the volatility of stock prices. Carry premium, on the other hand, speculates that higher yielding assets are more likely to outperform lower yielding assets in the long run, and hence preferentially invests in higher yielding assets over lower yielding ones. What makes ATRFX unique is that it combines these 3 trend following strategies with a rules-based and a risk budget model that considers the correlation between asset classes. This links back to Harry Markowitz's Nobel Prize winning modern portfolio theory, which put forth the idea that diversifying an investment portfolio shouldn't be just about investing in different asset classes, but should also take into account the correlation between these asset classes. ATRFX already does this by going long on assets that are not correlated to one another, achieving true diversification.
You smell that? What is that?
What?
What's that smell?
A cologne?
No.
Opportunity.